Hey everyone, today we're diving into a crucial feature for creators and businesses on Snapchat, adding links. Whether you want to promote a website, share a product, or provide more information, links are essential. Let's get started. First up, open Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. There are a few different ways to add links on Snapchat, and they vary depending on whether you're using a public profile or simply sharing to friends. Start by taking a photo or video for your Snapchat story. Now tap the sticker icon on the right hand side of the screen. Look for the link sticker. It often has a chained link icon. Tap on it. Paste or type the URL you want to share. You can customize the link's sticker's appearance by changing its color or adding text. Place the link sticker on your story and add it to your profile. And that's it. That's how you add links on Snapchat. It's a powerful way to connect with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.